Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your data. Back up everything now because formatting deletes files. Once done, check the drive capacity. Windows Disk Management will refuse to format partitions larger than 32 GB to FAT32. Make sure you have admin rights and the drive letter identified. If the drive is 32 GB or smaller, open Disk Management, right-click the volume, choose Format, pick FAT32, and proceed. If it's larger, make a note to use a third-party FAT32 formatter next. You now perform the conversion. If the volume is small, disk management is quick and simple. Choose FAT32 and start. For larger volumes, open an elevated command prompt and use disk part. List disk, select disk N, be careful, clean, create partition primary, then format fs equals FAT32 quick. Assign a drive letter if needed. Alternatively, run a third-party GUI format or Rufus as administrator. Select the target drive and start. These tools bypass Windows 32 GB restriction, which you finish by verifying the result. Open Disk Management and confirm the partition shows FAT32 and check properties to ensure correct cluster size. Once confirmed, safely eject the drive and copy a few test files so you can verify read and write behavior. If you intended the drive to be bootable, recreate the boot files or use a tool that makes bootable FAT32 media. Troubleshooting tip. If formatting fails, run chkdsk on the device, redo disk part clean, then retry or use a different FAT32 format.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.